Hand crank power bank. It's not the easiest thing to crank around. I don't know, I mean it's not really huge. Can you give me my phone there? This is kind of the longest shooting we have ever had for an episode. Just sitting and waiting. Hello everyone, my name is Kim. I'm from Cognizant Latvia and welcome to the Worst of Tech. Today the turn has come to a hand crank power bank and we will test it out and see if it fulfills any purpose or if it's useless. It's kind of an anonymous box. It says on it, of course, that it's a solar crank radio and it's also a card reader. So let's open it up and see what we can use it for. So not a lot of different parts. It's actually, I mean, it's a power bank, it's a power cable and tiny manual, only one page. But it has bubble wrap and that's a good sign. The power bank as such has approximately 2000 milliamp. It's a built-in radio, also a flashlight. As mentioned, there is a card reader in there as well. You can actually charge in 3 different ways. One is to use the power cable. You have a solar panel here, so you can charge it from the sun. And also you can crank this manually basically by turning it around. And it says that if we do that for 1 minute, we will be able to get 20 minutes of light or 5-10 minutes of radio. So that is actually what we're going to test now. This thingy is kind of useless in an office, so let's change the environment. Okay, so now we're in the jungle. We have a fully discharged power bank. And as we read in the manual, we should now crank this for 1 minute and then we'll see how much we can use it. Okay, so crank this for 1 minute and according to the description we should now get 20 minutes of flashlight out of this. So let's put it on. Let's see how long it will be shining. So this flashlight has actually been on for more than 20 minutes now. So it seems to be working just exactly as it says in the description. We will test the radio function now, but before that we will drain the battery. So we'll connect my mobile phone and we'll see how many seconds it can last with that instead. More or less instantly it dies. So next test we will do is once again we will crank it for 1 minute and then we'll put the radio on. The instruction says that it should give approximately 5 to 10 minutes of radio and yeah, we will test that and see how it goes. So that's 1 minute of cranking. Let's turn on the radio.
Okay, I've been working like 3 jobs. Probably why I never see ya. Probably why I never have time for the fake friends I won't be ya. Oh God, I've been running now. Up early when the sun is out. Not setting out my own soul, but those real ones, they coming out. Oh look who's reaching out. Old friends wanna feature now. They don't work.
So this was 5 minutes of radio play, which it did without any problems. So I guess we can say it did what it promised. Okay, so we cleaned up this jungle and time to do a verdict for this one. We have 2 functions we haven't tried. You can use a TF card here and use it as an MP3 player. We haven't tried that because we don't have that kind of card and we don't use MP3 anymore. Also, you can charge this by solar panel, but since it's winter and we are in Latvia, you would have needed to wait until spring in order to get a verdict if it works or not, so we skipped that part as well. But the functions we did test, the flashlight and the radio charging by the crank here, works actually as expected or as it was given in the manual. So it's an okay product if you're going hiking somewhere and want to have emergency flashlight or emergency ability to charge your phone. So we will not destroy this one, unfortunately you might say, but if you head out to our Facebook page, instead of voting how to destroy it, you will be able to win it. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because in the next episode we will actually destroy all the crappy technology products that we tested out through the season. So don't miss that, and until then, have a good day.